Hey guys, today let's learn how to add a call button on your TikTok profile. So is it actually possible for you guys to add a call button over on your TikTok profile? Well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do just that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the TikTok application. And let's go on over onto our profiles over here, and I want you to go ahead and tap on your options over on your settings. So let's tap on settings over here and tap on your settings and privacy. And what I want you guys to make sure first is that you are currently already using a professional account. So if you have a personal account as of the current moment, I would like you guys to proceed with, of course, changing your accounts from a personal one over on to a new professional one. Alright guys, so once that is already done, what we need to do next is to proceed to going over onto our option to provide a business phone number. And that is going to be located over on our profiles over here, so just tap on edit profile, and I want you to go ahead and scroll down and see if that option is available for you to add. So as you see over here, as of the current moment, the option for us to add that is not really located right here as of the current moment. We can actually go ahead and tap on add action button over here, and as you see, we actually have this option called phone number. So I would just want you guys to proceed with adding your phone number over here, and I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, so just give me a few seconds. Alright guys, so once you have already successfully added your phone number as on there, as you see, you now have the call button right there on your TikTok profile. Now that is all for this video. That is how you could add a call button over on your TikTok profile. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.